Hi guys, welcome back on another video. So first of all, I would like to say sorry because I have not been uploading as frequently as possible like last time, and I've been trying to balance two jobs at once, so it's not easy. But nevertheless, coming back to this video, so today is a very special day. You know why, guys? Because today is probably gonna be the day that I actually complete my car exterior 100%. So are you guys ready? I know you guys are ready. So ladies and gentlemen, guys, let me present to you my universal lip and side skirts. So there you go, guys. So basically how it works is like this. So there's three sections. Alright. So there's some screws used here. Screws. So what you do is you have to connect this like this. Alright. And then you have to screw them from the bottom onto your car bumper. Alright. And as for this, they have a latch like this. So you go like this. It's connected. Then you just screw them out. And then you connect them all together like this. And then they will be connected to the side skirt. So guys, now that I've shown you the unboxing and how to fix it, let's actually fix it. First thing you have to do is measure whether it's actually long or not long. So you go here. As you guys see, the custom universal lip is too long, so we have to measure again and cut it. But maybe what we can do is maybe we can fix the front one first, because the front one is actually 3 pieces, so you can actually fit it. So let's go, guys. Okay guys, so first important thing that you have to see is, alright, this part of the lip is you have to be like parallel with this thing lah. Alright, so it goes, see, parallel. And another important thing is you have to make sure that this fin is not judging too out, too in, just nice. So, and same goes to the other side, same thing. Then what I do is I take this tape and then I just tape it at the point where I arranged it. So 1, and then here another 1, 2. Alright, same goes to that side, guys. So as you see, I took it out. So now we can take out this piece, put it aside, and if we turn here, if you can see here, here is like a circle, so we use that as reference point to actually screw it down. Okay guys, so we are finally done screwing the part. Alright, so as you can see, the first important thing is when you drive the car, it'll be dirt, so just clear it lah. So now we can put double-sided tape and stick it up. Okay guys, so now the next step we did was we secure it with some selfie tape so that it doesn't fall and it's in place. So the main thing now, we can access here the screw, so we have to really jack up the car so that we can screw it up. Since we already jack up the car, now we're gonna screw this clip to the bumper, right? finally, after so long of fixing, we are finally done, and this is the product, guys. So guys, there you have it, the final product, and I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And most importantly, I know we haven't fixed the second one, which is the side skirt, so stay tuned for part 2, guys.